How to get started as a Temu affiliate marketer. So before we begin, you can click on my link below to sign up as a Temu affiliate so you can follow along this tutorial and start earning some money. So now once you click on my link, right away you should be able to see here, start earning together. So tap on that. And now from here, you can manually enter your email address or you can just simply continue with Google or Facebook. And when you tap on the arrow pointing downward, you can continue with phone number as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you. In my case, I will go for my Google and now just simply select an account. And after that, just simply tap on continue. And once you are signed in, it will redirect you to the affiliate page. And now from here, as you can see, you will have here an option ranking race. So guys, when you tap on that, as you can see, you should be able to see here the ranking race. So you can just simply tap on share to earn. And when people click on your link, you will get to the rankings. And when you are the number one on the rank, you will have bonuses as well. So now from here, when we go back, you should be able to see here referral race as well. So from here, you can just simply tap on share to earn. And after that, when people click on your link, and you can get multiple money over here, guys. Just simply do the task that is being asked in order for you to get all of the stages completed. And guys, another option that you have is just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here multiple offers as well to have the link. And one thing that I would recommend is just simply going for the pick items down below. And from here on the picks items, you can share a specific product. So from here, just simply tap on share item. And as you can see, you can copy the template over here by just simply tapping on copy. Or down below, you should be able to see the copy link, which you can just simply copy the link itself. And guys, what would I recommend is sharing it on Facebook and sharing it on Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, and sharing it to your friend as well. And pretty much you should be able to get your links over here on this page in order for you to earn some money. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.